Today, we're diving into the DSC PC1864NK alarm system, a robust security solution designed to safeguard your home or business. This system boasts a comprehensive array of features tailored to meet the demands of modern security needs. With support for up to 64 zones and compatibility with a wide range of detectors and sensors, it offers unparalleled flexibility in protecting various areas within your property. The PC1864NK excels in its ease of installation and user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those new to home security systems. Its modular design allows for scalability, ensuring that you can expand your security coverage as needed without hassle. Moreover, the system integrates seamlessly with smartphone apps, enabling remote monitoring and control from anywhere, providing peace of mind whether you're at home or away. In terms of reliability, the PC1864NK stands out with its robust build and dependable performance. It supports multiple communication options including IP, cellular, and traditional phone line connections, ensuring consistent connectivity under various circumstances. The system's backup battery ensures uninterrupted operation during power outages, safeguarding your security even in emergencies. Security features are comprehensive, with support for advanced functionalities such as partitioning, which allows different areas of a property to be independently controlled. This makes it ideal for both residential and commercial applications where diverse security needs must be met. The system's compatibility with automation systems further enhances its utility, enabling integration with smart home devices for enhanced convenience and security management. In conclusion, the DSC PC1864NK alarm system represents a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a reliable, flexible, and robust security solution. Its blend of advanced features, user-friendly design, and scalability make it a standout option in today's market, ensuring your home or business remains protected with cutting-edge technology.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.